Good evening, children. Welcome back to storytelling. Let us start our story. A greedy dog. Okay? Once a dog found a bone in the forest. He held the bone in his mouth. As he was crossing a stream, he looked into the water and saw another dog holding a bone in his mouth. He wanted the other bone also. So he barked at the dog, Bobo, Bobo, Bobo. As he opened his mouth to bark, the bone fell into the water. He lost the bone. It was not another dog in the water. It was his own reflection. The greedy dog had learned a lesson that we must not be greedy.